your boss demands you to remove your organs so that you can continue to work, would you do so? Well, that has what has been happening in Maharashtra, where 843 women were forced to remove their uterus so that they can continue to work during harvest season as they don't take period leaves. Just for period leaves per month, 4 days, a company has forced its construction workers to remove their organs so that they cannot reproduce, don't get pregnant, and don't have periods. In a time where the government is debating whether to give period leaves to women, where we are so close in getting it approved for paid leaves, this is what companies are following. Daily wage workers in the district of Beed, Maharashtra, are facing this problem where since 2024, they have been forced to remove their organs while harvest season is on. This is discovered to be happening since 2019, where the government has reported over 13,000 women in the Beed district during sugarcane harvest season. Where are the labor laws? Where are the union laws? This is why education is important. Who is footing the bill for the surgery? The construction workers are taking out loans of 25,000 and 30,000 from the construction companies so that they can get the surgery, so that they can continue to work. Most of these women voluntarily went for these surgeries are all under 35. These contractors on purpose are hiring couples so that they get 2 laborers together and then they remove the uterus of the woman. What is next? They don't take pee breaks. Beed tops the list for farmer suicides in Maharashtra and has the worst sex ratio in the state. Doctors that are hired for this are also from the contractor side, and they are paid to do this apart from the money they take from the laborers. Doesn't this raise the medical question? Doesn't this raise the ethical question for the medical community? How is this allowed? I know who to blame, the government, capitalism, or the economy, but this is extremely inhumane to any woman.